MP Jairam Ramesh has accused the NTA National Testing Agency of serious lapses, alleging that questions in the English paper were lifted from previous exams, while the sociology paper was riddled with spelling, translation, as well as grammatical errors. Jairam Ramesh also targeted Education Minister, calling him incompetent and demanding his resignation as well. And he has in fact put out a post as well on social media platform X. And this is the rough translation of his post from Hindi that you can see on your screens right now. He has said, and I'm reading out from what he has put out, on June 21st, the armed forces and every level of the government had to throw their full might into organizing re-NEET. This shows that the Modi government would have been utterly incapable of conducting the exam without this unprecedented mobilization. As far as the exams conducted by NTA itself are concerned, its record remains extremely poor. He says the questions in the UGC NET English exam were lifted almost entirely unchanged from old question papers, while the UGC NET Sociology question paper was riddled with a lot of errors in spelling, translation, as well as grammar. So these are the points that he has raised in this particular case. The NTA is not fit to carry out its mandate, is what Jairam Ramesh is saying. The ministers under whose tenure the NTA was supposed to be reformed and strengthened have proven to be incompetent and insensitive. He says their continued hold on office is a stain on our democracy and also reveals the Prime Minister's narrow political machinations. So clearly a big attack there coming in from Jairam Ramesh of the Congress party. We'll see how the BJP is going to really respond to this, because this clearly has led to a war of words now erupting, because this is yet another case involving NTA where we are talking about certain lapses and quality checks not being there, not being done properly by the National Testing Agency. Let me go back to my colleague Kritika for more on this big story. Kritika, any word from NTA, any official statement that they've come out with on the allegations and also the points that the opposition has now started raising?
Well, the NTA does, the sources in the NTA have conveyed to Times Now that the matter is under investigation. However, these sources also did, in fact, say that the repetition of previous year's question is not something which is unusual. In fact, they've also pointed out towards how certain spelling errors or typography errors are also usual and common as well. So it is not as alarming. So definitely on one part, NTA is taking or is rather acknowledging the entire issue. But on the other, they're also trying to say that these issues are not as grievous. In fact, the sources have also conveyed to us that no formal complaint has also come in to the NTA yet. Now, remember, a key factor over here is that the challenges to these question papers, the answer scripts, will begin in the next few days, and that is when we can expect the students to formally, in fact, approach the NTA as well with their concerns. Over to you.
All right. Thank you very much, Kritika, for the moment, for joining us with your inputs on this story. And this is the latest controversy surrounding the National Testing Agency, NTA. We also, in fact, have a report for you. Take a look.
Fresh allegations are being leveled against the National Testing Agency yet again. This time the question or the examination in focus is the UGC NET English paper, which happened just late in June, in fact, this very year. Now students, some of them have come forward and they're claiming that over 50 questions were repeated out of the 150 as far as this English UGC NET paper is concerned. Now viewers, remember, this paper is important for PhD qualifications and for those entrance exams as well. Vagisha, how sure are you that these questions were repeated, and when, from which year were these questions repeated in this year?
Most of the questions in paper 2 were from 2024 paper, English paper. And I mean, sitting there, every question felt like a deja vu. So when I was going through those questions, I realized, I mean, this was the question paper that I attempted in 2024.
Vagisha, can you show us those questions as well? What was the type? Were the options same? Were the exact questions same? Were only the ideas same? How exactly did the question paper match?
So I have in my phone the 2024 paper.
All right. So we'll just zoom in. And Vagisha,
even every question, every option, people can match when key, comes out.
So you're saying that even the options were not shuffled?
Not options, not even options. Even the comprehension, the unseen passage, like the adjective directive of passages unseen, that it has to be unseen, but even they were copied as it is.
So we'll see how the NTA, the National Testing Agency, is now going to respond to this. But this has become a big political story as well in the country. We will slip into a very, very short break right now. Coming back with lots more. Don't go anywhere.